The late morning is here as we begin the new week of April, the first official week of April. April 7th, 2025, CN Hayes here, 10:47, almost an hour and a half later. 519 has made its return with the solo SD60 of the 5437, doing it alone. She'll show up along the forward here. Not sure if it's gonna have anything back, but we're gonna find out right now as we lean back and get him. Here we go. CN 5437. Power move return. Wasting no time to get back to Ladysmith Yard to end it for the day. Why not? So that's going to do it for today's L519, 81 of the 7th, and we'll do it for that power move return of the solo SD60 of the 5437. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Have a great week. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.